Hi all. Today we are going to learn how to create a key figure which will calculate the number of working days every month. So what happens is that a lot of times we might need to distribute the monthly forecast generated at an individual day level for some reason, or any such key figure. We need to distribute it based on the number of days that are working within a month, and not every month will have the same number of working days. Maybe there are some months where there are some holidays, excluding the weekends. So not every month will have the same number of working days. So how to do that, we will learn in this lesson. So what we will do is we will go to our planning area, and we will first, or before going even to the planning area, let's see what we all need to do for that. So the key figure that we will generate is a key figure which will show the number of working days at a product level. So it will help us to ascertain that the product is being required to be manufactured at what quantity for each day. Maybe that is one use case. So we will create a key figure at a day product level. We'll search it here. Got it here. Select the correct unit of measure and filter with the product IDs that we created. Two product IDs. It would be enough if we could have shown only one product, but it's fine. So what we see is that it shows the number of working days in each month. So for example, if we want to look at the number of holidays in a month for the India calendar, let's go to the app called Planning Calendar. And if we look at the calendar IN, so if we look at the public holidays in 2025, so what we find is that there are, say, on 26th of Jan 2025, there is one public day. So if we look at a month level, we might not be able to understand whether it is how it is calculating. So let's look at a week level, because this is where at a day level, this is because that is where how it is calculating. So say suppose I want to look at January 2025 till February 2025. So in India, first of the year, first day of the year is not a holiday. So it is a working day. But fourth and fifth were weekends. So let's see the calendar of fourth and fifth. So fourth was a Saturday and fifth was a Sunday. So it was a 0, 0. So these were not considered as a working day. Then again, we had 5 working days followed by 2 weekends. Again, we have 5 working days followed by 2 weekends. And then we will see the 26th is anyway Sunday, so we could not verify whether it considered or not. But let's see if 14th of April. So what is 14th of April? Let's see. So 14th is a Monday, so it should not include Monday as a working day. So let's see that if we have 14th till April. I don't think we have selected April. Let's do that now. So we'll say April 30th. Okay. So 14th of April. So 12th and 13th were Saturday and Sunday, and it didn't consider 14th because 14th was a public holiday in India, according to the India calendar. So that's how, so it is calculating whether it is a working day or not. So when we look at it at a month level, then it is aggregating all the, summing up all the working days in a month. So that's why we see. So this is how to create the key figure, which calculates the number of working days in a month. how to find the amount of consensus demand generated over a week or a month, to divide that by the number of working days so that we can find the amount to be produced each day. I mean, this is use case would be more apt for the supply team to ascertain the production amount for each day. What I mean by these is, suppose this is product 1 to 3, and we have the consensus demand. And then we have the number of working days as so we'll create one key figure which will divide the number of working days, consensus demand by the number of working days. So that we say that, okay, what is my consensus demand for each day? Something like this. Okay. So let's see how to do that. So we'll go to our planning area, and then we will go to key figures. And since we are talking about doing it at a month product level, so we have to see if both of these key figures are at a month product level.